Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, guys, this is episode 168 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it is hands down the best devotional I have ever done. It's so good. It's something that I started for myself, and I just wanted to share with my community, and it has just turned into something I look forward to and something I depend on every day. So if you've missed any of the previous episodes and you would like to check that out, there is a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 168. Stay on the high road with me. Many voices clamor for your attention, trying to divert you to another path. But I have called you to walk ever so closely with me, soaking in my presence, living in my peace. This is my unique design for you, planned before the world began. I have called each of my children to do a different path, distinctly designed for that one. Do not let anyone convince you that his path is the only right way, and be careful not to extol your path as superior to another's way. What I require of you is to act justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with me wherever I lead. So good, guys. Okay, it is in here. So the last part of that says, what I require of you is to act justly, love mercy, and to walk humbly with me. That is actually a verse. It is Micah 6:8. And it's one of the verses for today. But when I read that across the bottom, I was like, wait a minute, I know that's a verse, because I actually used to have that on a sign that stayed in my kitchen at a house years and years ago. I had a sign like that. But anyways, this is so good. I have called each of my children to a different path, distinctly designed for that one. Do not let anyone convince you that his path is the only right way. And be careful not to extol your path as superior to another's way. What I require of you is to act justly, love mercy, and to walk humbly with me. Man, that's good. Stay on the high road with me. Many voices clamor for your attention, trying to divert you to another path. But I have called you to walk ever so closely with me, soaking in my presence and living in my peace. You know, that's so true. Just because you do things a certain way, or you believe that the Lord requires of you a certain thing, does not mean that that's the only way. Because the Lord has designed a path for each of us. It's not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. It is literally designed distinctly for each and every one of us. My path is going to be completely different from somebody else's. We may both believe in the same God, and we're both trusting in that God, and we are both loving Jesus, but our paths are not going to be the same. And it doesn't make mine right or wrong, and it doesn't make theirs right or wrong. It's just their path from God. My path is my path from God. I hope that makes sense. We're not supposed to judge anybody, ever. It's not our job. It does us no good. It is a disservice to yourself to judge other people. Maybe you think, we'll use Martha. It's always Martha, poor Martha. We'll use Martha as an example. Maybe you think Martha isn't going to church like she ought to, or she's not, she says she's a Christian, but I hardly ever see her at Wednesday night prayer meeting. I mean, I just don't know what's going on with her. She's the... I promise you, you are doing a disservice to yourself. It's not your place to judge Martha. Martha's path is completely different from yours. You have no idea what's going on with Martha. You are to act justly, to love mercy. Thank God for mercy. If we all got what we deserve, it'd be bad. It'd be real bad. God's mercy is on all of us. Thank God. You are to love mercy and walk humbly. Don't judge other people. It does you no good. You have no idea what somebody else is going through. You cannot look at the outside and know what's going on within somebody. And it's not your place. You're to walk your path and worry about you and yours. Be there for Martha. Be a support to Martha. Pray for Martha. But don't judge her. Because her path is different than yours. And that's okay. Like I said a minute ago, it's not a one-size-fits-all. God has designed a certain path for each and every one of us. You can just walk closely with God, or you can turn and go the other way. I suggest you walk with God. So good. All right, let's do the verses. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let it be afraid. John 14:27. For we are God's workmanship, created in Christ Jesus to do good works, which God prepared in advance for us to do. Ephesians 2:10. For we are God's workmanship, created in Christ Jesus to do good works, which God prepared in advance for us to do. You're here to serve God and to serve others. Okay. He has showed you, O man, what is good. And what does the Lord require of you? To act justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with your God. Micah 6:8. I told y'all it was a verse. I knew that it was a verse. Anyways, that's just so good. To act justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with your God. So good. But I have called you to walk ever so closely with me, soaking in my presence, living in my peace. This is my unique design for you, planned before the world began. Do not let anyone convince you that his path is the only right way. And be careful not to extol your path as superior to another's way. So good, guys. So good. All right, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you all so much for being with me today. Truly, thank you. And y'all have a blessed day.